Let us see how to perform our terrazzo pavement, or the techniques that we have to apply when we are constructing terrazzo pavement. So the first step is to prepare our surface or our pavement that we are going to apply or to finish with a terrazzo pavement. So you see here we have a concrete slab or a concrete floor which has been casted before 2 days ago. It has already hardened. So we need to finish this concrete floor with a terrazzo flooring material. So the first step of terrazzo construction is to prepare our surface. How this concrete surface could be prepared? First thing is to observe the condition of our concrete slab. So if we have the dust on this concrete slab, we need to remove, but our case, there is no dust, okay? Another condition of this concrete slab, it must be rough. You see how this concrete floor is rough, okay? So the second step, when our surface is just well prepared and cleaned, is to evaluate. First step, preparation. Preparation of concrete floor or concrete slab. The second step is to evaluate or to determine the size of our surface that we are going to cast the terrazzo. So when we are evaluating our surface, we need to measure the length of area to be casted. Here we have 1 meter and 30 centimeter. Then we have 110 centimeter or 1 meter and 10 centimeter. So this will help us to decide about the patterns or the shape of the panel that we are going to divide this slab. Let us decide to use those panels or those patterns, rectangular one. If our slab has 110 centimeter, we search for the middle of this slab, which is equal to 55 centimeter. Then we go to another side. We divide our slab into 2 equal parts, 55 centimeter. Go to the opposite side. Internal. $65 centimeter. $65 centimeter. So this is the step of evaluating our surface. So after evaluating our surface, we have to mark the line over the concrete surface. This is the marking. So then finally, when you just to finish for marking our pavement, the following step is to fix the strip divider. Those are the strip divider made in plastic material. Those are the PVC strip dividing, which are used to divide our slab into different panels. The main role of those strip divide is to provide aesthetic and also to control the cracking which may develop. So that is why when you are going to finish those strip divide, we will need a cement mortar to fix or to attach those strip divide over the surface. So now, let us make a simple look how to fix those strip divider over the concrete surface. While fixing the strip divider, we have to follow the marked line. So when we just finish to fix our dividing strip, it is better to check their levelness. We use this spirit level to check whether those strip divide are well leveled. You see that the water bulbs is located into the center of spirit level, which means our strip divider are well leveled. Same as here. It's okay. So you observe that the strip divider which fits or which determine the total thickness of this terrazzo pavement are well laid. So now, after laying the strip divider, the following step is to batching or a process of measuring terrazzo ingredient that we're going to pour into those panels. So when we talk about the things or which is batching or a process of measuring a terrazzo ingredient, it means we need a cement or cementitious material, cement, marble chips, the marble chips. And then finally, we will need to add those current powder or pigment. The pigments. Those are the ingredients that we're going to use. So in terrazzo construction, the mix ratio used is 1 to 2. 1 means the part of cement, 2 means the part of aggregate or marble chips. This is a cement, and this is marble chips. Okay? That is why we can do a simple calculation in order to determine the amount of terrazzo that we're going to pour here. So we have that slab of size of slab, which is equal to 1 meter 30 times 1.10 meter. Then the thickness of terrazzo pavement or terrazzo flooring that we're going to pour is 2 millimeter. Why is it 2 millimeter? This strip divider that we have used when you are dividing this panel is what determines the total thickness of terrazzo flooring. So the strip divider has the thickness of 1.5 mm or millimeter, and the depth or width of 2 millimeter. That is why we have to pour the terrazzo flooring material in the depth of 2 millimeter. Let's get the volume of material. Thickness of terrazzo flooring. Terrazzo flooring is equal to 2 centimeters. Then the volume of weight material of weight terrazzo material is equal to 1.3 meter length times 1.1 meter width times 0.02 meter depth. Then we determine the volume of dry material which is equal to the volume of wet material times 1.54 as the coefficient of bulking, 0.026 times 1.54. This will give us 0.044 cubic meter. Then the quantity of ordinary Portland cement will be equal to the sum of ratio, of mix ratio, sum of mix ratio, which is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. The ratio of cement, the quantity of cement will be equal to the ratio of cement. The ratio of cement is 1 over the sum of mixed ratio multiplied by the dry volume material, 0.044, which is equal to 0.016 meter cube. So this is the volume of cement that we're going to use. Then what about the ingredient? I mean the aggregate or those marble chips. The quantity of marble chips will be equal to what? To the ratio of marble chips, which is equal to 2, over the sum of mixed ratio, which is 3, times the dry volume, 0.044. That will be equal to 0.032 cubic meter. So the problem is remain about the quantity of pigment. So normally, the pigment used, the ratio of pigment to cement is equal to what? This is the 1 kg, 1 kilogram per 50 kg means what? The quantity of pigment and the quantity of cement. This is the pigment. The pigment, this is a cement. Which means in 1 bag of cement, we will need 1 kg or 1 kilogram of pigment. Dear students, let us finish this lesson here. I thank you so much to attend these modules. Let us meet together next time when we are going to talk about how to cast a terrazzo pavement. Thank you very much for your kind attention.